Hey guys, this is mjavedva with another tutorial whether how we can insert images and resize them properly in Excel. Here I have an Excel file where I track my social media activities, but here in the first column, instead of writing the names of the social media platforms, I want to insert the image of the concerned platform. So bring your images to the Excel file by going to the Insert tab and selecting all the concerned images. If your images are not aligned like mine, then press the Control key and select all your images with the mouse click. Now resize the height of the rows and then select all your images by pressing the Control key and selecting the images with the mouse click, and then generally resize them by going to the Format tab. Now, if you try to fit your image in the cell by eyeballing, it may not fit well. Instead, press the Alt key and drag your image. It will snap it to the borders of the cell. And if you want to make changes to the column or row by resizing, hiding or deleting, the image will not move. Instead, it will stay there. But what I want here is that it should react as I make changes to the column, row or cell. So press the Alt key and snap the image to the borders of the cell, and do the same with the rest of your images. And if I make changes to the column, they don't move along at this point in time. So select all the images by pressing Control key. Then right click on any of the image and select Format Object. It will open a pane on the right side where you need to go to the Size and Properties tab. And under the Properties menu, select the option Move and Size with Cells. What it will do is that when you make changes to the concerned column or row, the images will react accordingly. And here you can see that when I increase the length of the column, the image is resized accordingly. Now select the cells by pressing Shift plus arrow key containing the images and change the color of the text to white. It will change the color, which will not be visible if your images have transparent background. And then resize the images according to your need. Now add filters and make changes to your data. And here you can see that the images react accordingly. And this is how you can insert and format images in Excel. And if you have stayed this far, please consider liking and subscribing. And I hope this will be helpful for someone out there. And thanks for watching.